How to turn off autoplay video in Facebook. In this video, I'll be guiding you to turn off autoplay videos in Facebook. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to do it. Without any much delay, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Facebook app is up to date and then launch your Facebook application on your device. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into your Facebook account, and then you have to select the three-line icon at the top right corner to access the menu section. On this page, select the settings icon which is next to the search icon. This will let you access the settings and privacy page. Now you have to scroll down and then select media. Here you will see different options of video quality, autoplay, and video and photo settings. But you have to locate autoplay option and then select never autoplay videos. Once you have done that, the changes have been saved on Facebook, and that's how we turn off autoplay video in Facebook. If you wish to tap on only Wi-Fi, then during the Wi-Fi connection there will be only autoplays of videos but not in mobile data. But if you want to completely turn off autoplays neither on the Wi-Fi nor on mobile data, you need to simply tap on neighbor autoplay videos so that there won't be autoplaying of videos on Facebook. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.